Okay, here we go. So I want to make sure I have the right guy doing the right thing. Okay, so Jeff, here's Jeff first. Let's show you Jeff. Here's Jeff. He's saying he loves Poe because he loves Edgar Allan Poe. And he's drinking a McDonald's drink. And he's got an Edgar Allan Poe book in his hand. So that's Jeff, okay? Did you see Jeff? Are you, like, satisfied with Jeff? Wait till you see Fred, it's really good. Yes, okay. So here's Fred. He's got his filet-o-fish sandwich on a tray. And it's, he's got a little heart because he loves fish. And, yes. Yeah. His hair is so epic, it looks like the fish is on fire. Filet-o-fish. Filet-o-fish.